Today's video, I will be making a 4th of July arrangement. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Our social media links is in the description. What you're going to need is some flags, some pom-poms, some swirly things, and some straight line balls. That's what I call them. I don't know what the real name is. Now the pom-poms I got over at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Everything else but the flags and the vase I got over at Hobby Lobby. The flags was Walmart and the vase is Walmart. On to the video. This is an easy one to do because you don't have to cut anything. We're going to start. I call these the straight ball things. You're going to put that one in back. You're going to put this one next to it. You're going to put this one next to it too. Now, we're going to have the pom-poms. You're going to put the red one in the center. You're going to have the two gold ones on the outside. And I'm putting the big ones in back. And then the white one goes in the middle. So we're going to spread it all out like that. Okay. Now, I put a silver one in front. And a silver one in front. I should say gold one. On the side, then a silver one here. And this one can go on this side. See, it's coming along. And now you got to put the flags in. Put the flag on the side. Put the flag on this side. There we go. Now let me adjust this flag better. Just a little bit better. And we do it right there. So it's more up front. Yeah, I'll bring the other one up front too. You get it to where you like it. But that looks like a 4th of July fireworks display. Don't you think that looks like a fireworks display? I think it does. I will bring you around for the finish photo. This is what the finished arrangement looks like. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. Your support is much appreciated. I appreciate all my subscribers and all the shout outs. Again, thank you for watching. Have a good day.